वासुदेवेन्द्र योगीन्द्रम् नत्वा ज्ञानप्रदं गुरुम् मुमुक्षूणां हितार्थाय तत्त्वबोधोऽभिधीयते। Page 122, middle paragraph. ननु साहंकारस्य किंचिज्ञस्य जीवस्य निरहंकारस्य सर्वज्ञस्य ईश्वरस्य तत्त्वमसीति महावाक्यात् कथमभेदबुद्धिः स्यादुभयोः विरुद्धधर्माक्रान्तत्वात् इति चेन्न स्थूलसूक्ष्म शरीराभिमानी त्वं पदवाच्यार्थः उपाधिविनिर्मुक्तम् समाधिदशा सम्पन्नम् शुद्धचैतन्यम् त्वं पदलक्ष्यार्थः एवं सर्वज्ञत्वादिविशिष्ट ईश्वरः तत्पदवाच्यार्थः उपाधिशून्यम् शुद्धचैतन्यम् तत्पदलक्ष्यार्थः एवं च जीवेश्वरयोः चैतन्यरूपेण अभेदे बाधकाभावः। जीवस्वरूपम जगत्स्वरूपम and Ishvara Swarupam. These are the three Swarupams we have to understand. Swarupa means nature. The individual nature, Jiva Swarupam, is Satchidananda Swarupam. Satchidananda Swarupam means existent consciousness, Ananda principle. That is my original nature. Fake nature, original nature, real nature and unreal nature. So what is original real nature? That is my real nature. That is existent consciousness principle, my nature. And this Ishvara Swarupam also same Sat Chit Ananda Swarupam. And that Ishvara is pervading in every object in the world, in the Nama Rupa Prapancha. With the help of Maya, Brahmashraya Maya, with Sattva Guna, Rajo Guna, Tamo Guna, three gunas, created this Jnana Indriyani, Karma Indriyani, Pranas and Panchabhutas. First they are in causal form, then they have become the subtle form, Then they have come to gross form. So, sattva guna, rajoguna, tamoguna, three amshas, subtle level, causal level and gross level, like that we have seen in the last class. We have to see that nama rupa amsham belong to the maya. Nama rupa amsham, whatever you see, nama and rupa, name and form. Nama means name, rupa means form. All these names and forms connected to maya principle. And Sat Chit Ananda belong to Brahman. Therefore, Brahman, the Chaitanyam, Maya is Anatma Amsha, matter. Both put together, I am. So, body, name and form, this is Maya Amsha. In this I am, I know that I exist. Belong to which Amsha? Brahma Amsha. Brahma Amsha. So, Brahma Amsha plus Maya Amsha put together, this body-mind complex plus I am. So, I am, this body-mind complex put together only, I am a human being. It is our responsibility to know this body-mind. I have the body-mind complex. I am consciousness, I have the body-mind complex. Ippadi palaganum. We have to develop this type of habit. How can I be the Ishwaran? For that, three examples I will give. Total and individual level. Total and individual level. Just you take one Surya, Lord Sun is there, and you keep a small bucket of water, and there is a small pond also. More water is flowing. Pond is there, bucket of water is there. Sun reflection is falling in both of them. In bucket of water, small reflection of the sun, but in the pond, huge area, the sun looks big reflection. But sun is only one. Reflections are two here. In the small bucket, a small reflection. In the big water pond, the big reflection. But there is no change in sun. One is a big reflection, another is small reflection. The smallness and bigness because of what? Because of the upadhi. Here it is a bucket of water, there is a pond of water. There is no difference in sun. Reflection smallness and bigness because of the medium, upadhi. This is one example. Clear? Similarly, another example what we saw is that ocean. Ocean and small wave. Ocean is also water. Wave is also water. Wave need not feel I am small wave. Today morning only I am born. After 2 minutes I am going to disappear. If wave thinks it is wave, smallness continues. Ocean is big, vast. But the wave is smallness because of nama rupa. You remove the wave nama, wave rupa from that wave, what will happen? Water remains. In the ocean and also name you keep aside, what is there? Water. And the nama rupa you keep aside, mental you keep aside, both are water only. This is another example. One more example, our own face. In the, what is this, makeup set, or mirror, small mirror. At home you see the full dressing table mirror. In the chinna small the makeup bag mirror, in the mirror, I am standing in front of the mirror, full form I can see, big face, all organs I can see easily. It is in a big mirror, big reflection. What about this small mirror? This much இவ்வளோ தான் இருக்கும். அதில் முக்கு கூட தெரியாது சரியா, கண்ணு சின்ன ஃபேஸாக இருக்கும். That small face because of small mirror. Whole body, the big face appears in that big mirror. This smallness and bigness is because of mirrors. Small mirror and big mirror. These are called upadhis. But who I am? I am same person. There is no smallness and bigness in me. I am as it is. Every one of us seeing everyday mirror. One dressing table mirror, another காரில் உட்கார்ந்ததுக்கப்புறம் கூட கொஞ்சம் ஒரு வாட்டி பார்த்துக்கணும். பேக்கில் ஒரு மிரர் இருக்கும், அப்படி அப்படி பார்த்துன்னு இருக்கணும். You don't feel smallness, as yourself you are same. But from mirror drishti, it looks as though small. It looks as though beginner. The bigness and smallness are real or unreal? Unreal. The bigness and smallness of your reflections, incidental, just at that time they appear. Really speaking, they are not real. You don't worry after seeing small mirror, ayyo, I became very small. Are you worrying? அந்த மாதிரி ஆலோசனை வராது நமக்கு. I am very happy in small mirror also. I am happy in big mirror also. ஏன்னா எதுக்கு ஐ am happy என்ன? I know there is no smallness and bigness in me because of mirror. Happily I accept. Like that, examples alla nanna puriyirudha. Like that consciousness existent principle which is known as Brahma Chaitanyam, all pervading Nirvikara Chaitanyam, that Chaitanyam, because of these Maya mediums, at the total level, the Maya medium is Ishvara. When that Brahma Chaitanyam reflecting in the total, it is called Maya Upadhi, Brahma Chaitanyam. Here in this body, it is reflecting in a Jiva Upadhi, Avidya Upadhi Stha Brahma Chaitanyam. It is like a small bucket of water. That is pond, like ocean, water. Angyo reflection, ingyo reflection. Total level reflection irundha. What is that? RM4, RM5, RM6, RC4, RC5, RC6. Reflected medium. Causal universe, subtle universe, gross universe. In three universes, what is the reflection of Brahma Chaitanyam? RC1, RC2, RC3. Reflected consciousness of Brahma Chaitanyam in total level, at three levels, it is Samashti. Ishvaraha, Jagatkarta, Sarvagnaha, Srishtikarta. But same Brahma Chaitanya reflecting in this RM1, RM2, RM3. Gross body, subtle body, causal body. So three bodies, three reflections. RC1, RC2, RC3. The reflections here, RC1, RC2, RC3 are RM4, RM5, RM6, RC4, RC5, RC6. Are they real or unreal? Unreal. Who is real? OC is real. Who is OC? Brahma Chaitanya. Who is Brahma Chaitanyam? I am. Where is he? Everywhere. Brahma Chaitanyam is everywhere. Brahma Chaitanyam is here also. In this body also. In this mind also. Space, where is space? Space is outside also. Inside hall also. Space is pervading everywhere. It is there inside the hall or not? There. So therefore, my dear student, don't think there is a difference. Nanu, that teacher is telling to his student, iti chet na. Don't think that Ishvaraha is Sarvagnaha, I am Alpagnaha, or Sarvavyapi, Nan Alpavyapi, or Nirvikaram, Na Savikaram. Don't think like that. All these Vikarams, Nirvikaram, Sarvagnatvam, Alpagnatvam only belong to the medium. Don't take the medium. Vachyartha is Sarvagnatvam. Vachyartha means what? Primary meaning. Ishvara, Swami. That is Vachyartha. Immediately Vachyartha means primary meaning. What is Lakshyartha? Secondary meaning, implied meaning, contextual meaning. When Shastra says Ishvara, you are, that Ishvara and you are one and the same, and how is it possible? And you have to remove the Maya Upadhi Nama Rupa. Here Avidya Upadhi Nama Rupa you have to keep aside. And the implied meaning upon the Lakshyartha. That's what teacher says. Stula Sukshma Sharira Abhimani Tvam-pada Vachyartha. Page number 122 in Tamil book. Stula Sukshma Sharira Abhimani Tvam-pada Vachyartha. Tvam means you. When Guru says you are Brahman, you are that Brahman. You means what? Primary meaning. Vachyartha. Sharira Abhimani. Nama Rupa Abhimani. Sharira Abhimani. Jivaha. Vachyartham primary meaning. Nan and Chonna Udane never Namaku body the Varo. Ilia is the primary meaning. Tvam-pada Vachyartha. What is Lakshyartha? Upadhi Nirmuktam. You keep this Upadhi, medium. Vinirmuktam means free from. How? You cannot physically remove the body. You cannot physically remove the body. Just understand this body is a medium. It is a cover. You are wearing this dress. Your dress, it is very close to your body. Do you know this dress is different from you or not? Your dress is different from you or not? It is different from you to know. You want to remove. You need not remove. You can wear and happily say, it is different from me. How you are able to say? Swamini, idu theriyada? அது எப்படி தெரியறதோ அதே மாதிரிப்பா பாடி கூட இப்போதான் வந்தது. ஒரு 40 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி, 50 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி, 60 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடியோ வந்தது. This body is also a temporary armor. It is a kavacham. It is a kavacham. இந்த பாடிக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கு? ஸ்கெலிட்டன் இருக்கு. போன்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். போன்ஸுக்குள்ள உள்ளக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்குன்னா blood is there, flesh is there, lot of organs are there inside. அதுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்குன்னா அதுக்குள்ள ஹார்ட் இருக்கு. ஹார்ட்டுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்குன்னா ஹார்ட்டுக்குள்ள ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கு. அந்த ஸ்பேஸுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்குன்னா பிரம்ம சைத்தன்யம் இருக்கு, ஜீவாத்மா இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த ஜீவாத்மாவுக்கு எல்லாம் ட்ரெஸ்ஸு ஒரே கோட்டிங்கோ கோட்டிங். இந்த ஜீவாத்மாவுக்கு ஆனந்தமய கோஷ, விஜானமய கோஷ, மனோமய கோஷ, பிராணமய கோஷ, அன்னமய கோஷம். ரொம்ப இந்த லேயர்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். ஒரு ட்ரெஸ்க்கு மேலே ட்ரெஸ்ஸு, ட்ரெஸ்ஸு மேலே ட்ரெஸ் என்ன. ஸோ டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் திஸ் ஜீவாத்மா அஹம் அஹம் அஹம். This aham can be understood only when these 5 layers are there. You cannot remove the layers. You cannot remove the layers. ஒருத்தன் அப்படி தான் இந்த இருட்டில் போகும்போது டார்ச் லைட் போட்டுட்டே போகிறான். இருட்டில் போகும்போது டார்க்னஸ், he is walking with a torch light. He want to see the what company of battery. Battery belongs to which company? நிப்போ கம்பெனியா, சோனி கம்பெனியா, இல்லை என்ன எவரிடி கம்பெனியானா? அந்த இருட்டில் அது வந்து he opened the torch, you want to see the battery, that name, label. முடியுமா? You cannot see the label. பேட்ரி இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு கூட டவுட் பண்ண வேண்டாம். என்ன லைட் எரியறது, லைட் எரியறது, அதனால பேட்ரி இருக்குன்னு போது. அது மாதிரி யூ நீட் நாட் ரிமூவ் த பாடி. தட்ஸ் வாட் ஹி சேஸ். உபாதி வினிர்முக்தம். You need not physically destroy the body. Use the body and say, I am Atman, Vinirmuktam. Epo, Samadhi Dasha Sampannam. When you attain knowledge. Dasha means a stage. Sampanna means endowed with. When you attain or get that Samadhi means knowledge. Here Samadhi means not any other Samadhi. Here Samadhi means pure knowledge, understanding. What is that? What is your understanding? Shuddham Chaitanyam. I am pure consciousness. Shuddha means pure. Chaitanya means consciousness. I am pure consciousness. This is what my secondary meaning. I am angadiki secondary meaning. Tvam pada lakshyartha. Lakshya means what? That which you have to arrive at. That which you have to understand, final. Lakshyartha. That is the meaning of I am. Final meaning of I am is Shuddha Chaitanya. What is the primary meaning? Body, mind, complex. I am a mother-in-law, I am a daughter-in-law, I am a wife, I am a daughter. All these are my Vachyartha. But you should not say, I am Suddhan Chaitanyam. How can you call me as Amma? That mother name, Amma, daughter-in-law, mother-in-law, all these names are belong to which one? RM1, RM2 or OC or RC? RC only they belong. They are not belong to OC. All these roles belong to Pratibhimbam, not OC. Suddha Chaitanyam, you need not tell others. You have to understand. It is a matter of understanding, not to proclaim others. You know that I am Shuddha Chaitanya. You know that I am Shuddha Chaitanya. It is not for others' sake. It is not your sake only. Okay. Similarly, evam sarvagnattvadi visishtaha ishvaraha. This is the above portion about the Vyashti, individual level. Lakshyartha is Suddha Chaitanya. Vachyartha is what? Alpagnaha, Savikaraha, this body. Okay, Alpavyapi, this body-mind complex. So, Lakshyartha, Vachyartha, you understand now? Primary meaning, secondary meaning? In the rendu meaning, that's why and the example, where are you going? And which side you are going? And if your friend asking, implied meaning is what? Can you give me the lift? Anartha. That's a lakshyartha. When you are sitting on your two-wheeler, suddenly another student will come and ask, okay, which side you are going? She is not interested in your house address route. She is interested in getting lift. That she didn't ask. That's Kuramal Kuri in Artham. Shollamal Sholli. Immediately you never give your whole address. My house is this side, that side. You don't say. Immediately what you have understood? Which side you want to go? And you ask. I'll give the lift. You tell me which side you are going. How you have understood? How you have understood? You cannot give answer. You have understood, that's all. This is the implied meaning. Hidden meaning. That is the lakshyartham. So, non and sollumbodhu lakshyartham enna? Shuddha Chaitanyam. Vachyartham enna? And wife, husband, roles. All roles. Idhe madri Ishwaran kuda. Samashti. Evam sarvagnattvadi visishtaha. Adipadat sarvavyapi. Nirvikaraha. Sarvagnaha means all-knower. That Ishvara is all-knower. He is never changing, ever same and pervading everywhere. Ishvara is pervading everywhere because in every upadhi he is there. Big upadhi, no? Everywhere it is there. Therefore, sarvagnattvadi visishtaha means endowed with. Endowed with some attributes. Vishishtaha. Who is he? Ishvaraha. Who is this Ishvara? Maya Sahitam Brahma. Ishvaraha Sagunam Brahma. Tatpada Vachyarthaha. This is the primary meaning of Ishvara. What about Lakshyartha of Ishvara? Upadhi Shunyam. You remove the Upadhi from Ishvara. Upadhi means the total causal universe, gross universe and subtle universe. Universe you keep aside. That Chaitanyam you take part, that Chaitanyam part alone. And the universe irundadane reflection varum, Pratibimbam. And the Pratibimbam and medium both are there because of Maya. In that original is reflecting. If you remove them aside, Shuddham Brahman. Upadhi Shunyam Shuddha Chaitanyam. Here also in Jiva also Shuddha Chaitanyam. Here also Shuddha Chaitanyam. Is there any difference between Shuddha Chaitanyam and Shuddha Chaitanyam? Can you say big Shuddha Chaitanyam, small Shuddha Chaitanyam anna? Shuddha Chaitanyam chonna attribute free in artham. Free from attribute, property less, attribute less. What attribute less? Sarvagnatvam, Alpagnatvam, Savikaratvam, Nirvikaratvam, Alpavyapitvam, Sarvavyapitvam. All these are Visishtam. You just remove. Then only you can call it Shuddha Chaitanyam. If you keep the attributes and see the Brahman, it is called Visishta Chaitanyam. Pratibimba Chaitanyam is Visishta Chaitanyam. Shuddha Chaitanyam is called Bimba Chaitanyam, without any attributes. As you are, no, you are without any roles. You are a human being. That's what he is going to say. He is giving example next. Tvampada Tatpada Lakshyarthaha is Evam Eva Jiva Ishvarayoho Chaitanya Rupena. You have to see Shuddha Chaitanyam, Shuddha Chaitanyam. In the Shuddha Chaitanya Rupena, in that Shuddha Chaitanya, with that understanding, Abhede. Abheda non-different. Both are non-different. Badhaka abhavaha. There is no any contradiction. Abhavaha means absence. Badha means a contradiction. Any contradiction cannot arise when you see from the original consciousness standpoint. Evam cha. From there we have to read. Up to here we have completed in the last class. Next portion we will read. 123, third paragraph. Evam cha Vedanta Vakyaihi Sadgurupadeshena cha Sarveshvapi Bhuteshu Yesham Brahma Buddhirutpanna Te Jivan Muktaha Ityarthaha. Whoever study Tattva Bodha and whoever understand Lakshyartha and Vachyartha, primary meaning and secondary meaning, evam cha Vedanta Vakyaihi. Evam means in this manner. How they come to understand? Through what? Vedanta Vakyaihi. Vakya means a sentence. Through the sentence. And Vakyaihi means Tritiya Bahuvachanam. Vakyaihi. Through those sentences. What sentences? Not chemistry, physics or any other science. They all come under Aparavidya. This is Vedanta Vakyaihi. Vedanta means the end portion of Veda is called Upanishad. In that Upanishad, one Mahavakya is taken. Tat Tvam Asi here. That Tattvamasi Mahavakyam anartham. Vedanta Vakyam means what? One Mahavakyam. That which is given in Upanishads. Which Upanishads occur in that end portion of Vedas. Jnana Kanda of Veda. The Vedanta Vakyaihi. That means this knowledge cannot arise by any amount of chantings you do. Lalita Sahasranama chanting, Vishnu Sahasranama chanting, Rudra Parayanam, Sri Suktam, Bhu Suktam, Medha Suktam, so many Suktams, even Narayaniyam, anything. Tirupugal, Tiruvembavai, Tirupavai, Enna Pavai Padichalum Koda, Gnanam Varad. அதுக்குதான் இந்த வேதாந்த வாக்கியை மட்டும்தான் வரோம்னா. మరి அதெல்லாம் படிக்க வேண்டாமா? அப்போது வேஸ்டான்னு படிக்கணும். அதெல்லாம் கூட படிக்கணும். By that study you get chitta shuddhi, purity of the mind. You get knowledge. என்ன ஞான யோக்கியத்தை வரும். You are qualified to study to Bhagavad Tattvabodha Bhagavad Gita. புரியுறதா? You are qualified enough to hold தத்துவபோதா. அதெல்லாம் படிக்காமல் இந்த புண்ணியம் வராது. இந்த தத்துவபோதா holding in your hand, it is a punyam, great punya. This punya you got because of what? Narayanian chanting, Ramayanam chanting, or Sundarakanda chanting, or Rudran chanting, or Nama Japa, or Puja. That punya only brought you here. Either in this janma or previous janma you have done sufficiently. Otherwise you don't come and enter in this hall. This is sure. There is no doubt in that. So, Vedanta Vakyaihi only. Now you are getting this knowledge. Have you got this Lakshyartha, Vachyartha knowledge? Have you heard anywhere previously? Tell me. Here only you are listening because Tattvamasi Vakyam is introduced. You are able to understand here. Therefore, Vedanta Vakyaihi. This is a very important statement. Then, Sat Guru Upadeshena. You cannot understand this Vedanta Vakya by yourself because there are so many secondary meanings, there are so many primary meanings. You do not know what is primary meaning, what is secondary meaning, and it has got a hidden meanings and all. We cannot understand Vedanta Vakyams very easily. You require a teacher. Which teacher? A teacher who has already studied thoroughly Vedanta. That teacher alone can unfold. That teacher alone can reveal. Not an ordinary teacher. No. All teachers cannot reveal this. That subject who has already mastered. Such a teacher. That is called Sadguru. Upadesham. Here Upadesha means not calling the student, sit here, I am going to tell you that you are Brahman, and Tatu Thum Asi. Upadesham over. Poitu va anu sollakudadu. Normal Upadesham means what we think. I took the Guru Upadesham, I got Upadesham. Upadesham or mantra japam they give. That is also a Upadesham. One shloka they teach. That is also a Upadesham. You take from a Guru. Here that is not Upadesham. That Upadesham will not give you knowledge. That Upadesham will not remove ignorance. That Upadesham will not remove your samsara, sorrow. Here Upadesham means a consistent study. Every Wednesday, every week, every Wednesday, every month, every year, throughout the year. How many days? How many days? 360 days throughout the year. How many years? Decades. Consistent, that is systematic study. There is a procedure. You have to go according to that procedure only you have to listen. You are not supposed to study Ishavasya Upanishad straight away. You are not supposed to study Brihadaranyaka Upanishad straight away. You are not supposed to study even Bhagavad Gita also without studying Tattvabodha. Nijama sonna. Tattvabodha padichinaku appuram da Bhagavad Gita padikkanum. Idella systematic. Systematic, then consistent, Every Wednesday you have to attend, not once in a month. Supervisor, therimo. Supervisor is one. Once in a while he comes and check everywhere how people are all doing work. And the supervisor madre poi padicha ukkarna varadu. Why he's got a supervisor post na therimo? Supervisor. He's wise enough to supervise. That's why he's supervisor. We should not study like a supervisor. We have to be consistently study. What Swamiji taught in the last class, what portion is going to come, and you have to reconcile both, and you have to see the connection between the previous class, adhik previous class. You should see the connection of the subject. If I am not able to come due to unavoidable conditions, I have to go through some notes, I have to ask some students what Swamiji said in the previous class. Can you give me some points? At least by phone, we have to ask. Just like that, we come and sit, we cannot grasp. The systematic, consistent study of Vedanta Vakya from a competent teacher. That's Sadguru Upadeshena. From a competent teacher. For a length of time. For a length of time, you have to study. How many years they practice cricket under a coach? How many years they practice? To go to a national level, how many years they practice? Swimming or tennis, how many years they do? Even music, dance, how many years they practice? What about Vedanta Jnana? Aham Brahmasmi Jnana? This matram oru vaarathukkulla varunuma. Ordinary worldly games, worldly the music, dance, idukke oru 6 varsham minimum. Sapasa shruti seradhukku 6 varsham agum. அதுக்கப்புறம் வரணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் எல்லாம் ராகம் தானம் பல்லை வரத்துக்குள்ள 12 வருஷம் ஆகிடும். Similarly, every science, if you want to master, 24 hours you spend your mind on that. Any science for that matter, 12 years you become master. Chemistry ahatum, physics ahatum, dance ahatum, music, any science for that matter, if you want to master, 12 years minimum, intense sadhana you have to do. அதே மாதிரி தான் இந்த வித்யா கூட 12 வருஷம் மினிமமாக ஒழுங்காக படிக்கணும். அதான் சிஸ்டமேட்டிக்காக படிக்கணும். திருப்பி அதனால பகவத்கீதை 12 வருஷம் எதுக்கு சொன்னான் தெரியுமோ? 2 கோர்ஸ் மினிமம் பகவத்கீதை. 6 வருஷம் 2 கோர்ஸ். அதுக்குள்ள உபனிஷத்து எல்லாம் 10 உபனிஷத்து 12 வருஷம் ஆகும். அது கொஞ்சம் பிரகரண கிரந்தாஸ், அதுக்கு சைடு பை சைடு. ஆல் திஸ் இஃப் யூ ஸ்டடி ஆஃப்டர் 12 இயர்ஸ் அப்பா சொல்லலாம். என்ன அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி சொல்லுறதுக்கு சான்சஸ் உண்டு, இஃப் யூ ஆர் குவாலிஃபைடு. என்ன அதுதான் சத்குரு உபதேசேன. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? ஒன்ஸ் யூ கெட் தட் நாலேஜ், சர்வேஷ்வபி பூதேஷு, in all beings, bhuteshu means in all beings, sarveshu api, in all beings, not only 1 or 2, 3. How many species are there in all those species? Brahma buddhi rutpanna esham. They see what? Shuddha Chaitanyam. Behind that Nama Rupa, behind crocodile Nama Rupa, behind rat Nama Rupa, behind cockroach Nama Rupa, behind cow Nama Rupa, behind elephant Nama Rupa, behind ant Nama Rupa, behind podun list. Brahma Buddhi means Shuddha Chaitanya Buddhi. Brahma Buddhi means here what? Jnanam. Brahma Buddhi means Brahma Jnanam. Brahma Jnanam means Shuddha Chaitanya Jnanam. Upadhi Vinirmukta Jnanam. இதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் சப்ளை பண்ணிக்கணும். Brahma Buddhi Jnanam means Utpanna means rise, arise, arisen. They only known as Jivan Muktaha ityarthaha. They are only known as Jivan Muktaha. They are only liberated. They are only liberated. They are called liberated people. Iti arthaha. This is the meaning. Iti arthaha means this is the meaning. Whoever see the Shuddha Chaitanyam in every species. Whoever sees the Shuddha Chaitanya. Can you see the Shuddha Chaitanyam? Can you see the electricity? You cannot see electricity. Then how you see electricity? You see through the bulb. You see electricity, you understand electricity. You can never see electricity. You understand electricity through bulb, fan. அது சொன்னால் நல்லா சத்தம் வருது, நல்லா சொல்கிறேன். You understand that there is electricity in fan light. Similarly, you understand there is Shuddha Chaitanyam in every being. In our Mamiyar, Shuddha Chaitanyam. Mamanar, Shuddha Chaitanya. Nathanar, Swamini. இப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்ல வைக்காதுங்க, ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். Fortunately, unfortunately, all are Shuddha Chaitanyam only. What about me? I am also Shuddha Chaitanyam. Sarveshu bhuteshu api Shuddha Chaitanyam Jnanam Brahma Buddhi. That is called Brahman. Shuddha Chaitanyam alone is Brahman. And the Buddhi Utpanna. அது உற்பன்னம் ஆயிடுத்துன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த நாம ரூபம் வாட் எவர் ஐ எம் சீயிங், they are all temporary, they are not real. Their kopa, their tapam, their all problems are belong to what? Sattva rajas tamo gunatmika maya, which is matter. Doesn't matter. All those gradations, weaknesses, inferiority complex, superiority complex, all limitations, all belong to that body mind complex. You cannot avoid. Happily you can understand Shuddha Chaitanya. Therefore, whatever limitations people are having, near and dear people, you accept them, allow them. அது அப்படிதான். என்ன அனாத்மா, மேட்டர், பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ். அதே மாதிரி இங்கே கூட லிமிட்டேஷன்ஸ் இருக்குது. இந்த பாடிக்கு இருக்கும்போது அந்த பாடிக்கு இருக்கக்கூடாதா என்ன? இங்கே எத்தனை இருக்கலாம், அங்கே மாத்திரம் இருக்கக்கூடாது. இதுதான். இதில் அட்ஜஸ்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ் பண்ணவே முடியாது. இது எப்போவுமே இதில் தகராறு இருந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும். பாடியில் வியாதி, ஜரா, மரணம் இதெல்லாம் இருக்கும். Other persons also, body level it is their limitation, mind level limitation is there, intellectual level limitation is there. All limitations are bound to be there. So accept the limitations at body level. That's why wife and husband, if they understand they are Shuddha Chaitanyam, the happiest couple in the world. You know, you are also Shuddha Chaitanyam. I am also Shuddha Chaitanyam. அவர் வந்து அந்த அம்மா வராது கிளாஸுக்கு, அந்த அம்மா வந்து அவர் வரமாட்டார் கிளாஸுக்கு. அதுதான் ப்ராப்ளம். ரெண்டு பேர் வந்து படித்தா என்ன நன்னா இருக்கும். அதனால் புல் யுவர் ஹஸ்பண்ட்ஸ், தோஸ் ஹூ ஆர் நாட் கம்மிங்னா, நாட் வென்ஸ்டே கிளாஸ்னா சண்டே கிளாஸுக்கு அங்கே வரலாம், சம்ஸ்கிருத பாரதி கிளாஸுக்கு. இஃப் தே ஆல்சோ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஹவு ஹாப்பி லைஃப், நோ, ஸ்லோலி, ஓகே, slowly you inject what? This knowledge, you know, this show the interest in this subject. Like that, many students first அந்த அம்மா வருவார், ஃபஸ்ட்டு அந்த அவர் முள்ளமாக வருவார் கிளாஸுக்கு, and he also start coming. Otherwise he comes first, later he brings her, no, இது மாதிரி. ஸோ முள்ளமாக வரணும்னா, வர முடியலன்னா ஓகே விடுங்க, leave them. The life is so wonderful. Brahma Buddhi Utpanna. They alone can be called as Jivan Muktaha. Jivan while living. Muktaha means liberated. While living itself they are Muktaha, not out. They are free from samsara dukkham. They are free from limitations. They are called Muktaha means free from sorrow. They are called Jivan Muktaha. So you can verify when you are in this body itself whether you are Jivan Mukta or not. You can verify. No, it is not posthumous. While living itself, you can verify, yes, I am Brahma Chaitanyam only. How? Now, student is asking, very nice to listen. Who is this Jivan Muktaha? Tell me about this Jivan Muktaha. Nanu Jivan Muktaha kaha yatha dehoham purushoham brahmanoham shudroham अस्मि इति दृढनिश्चयः तथा नाहं ब्राह्मणः न शूद्रः न पुरुषः किन्तु असङ्गः सच्चिदानन्दस्वरूपः प्रकाशरूपः सर्वान्तर्यामी चिदाकाशरूपः अस्मि इति दृढनिश्चयः रूपः अपरोक्षज्ञानवान् जीवन्मुक्तः. Who is that liberated person? Aparoksha Jnanavan Jivan Muktaha. Jnanavan, the one who has got the knowledge. Dhanavan anartham. Dhanam Udayavan Dhanavan. Yarkitta Dhanam irukko avan Dhanavan. Jnanavan anu sonna yarku jnanam irukkumo avanu Jnanavan. என்ன ஞானம்? What type of ஞானம்? திருட ஞானம். Last line. திருட நிச்சய ரூபஹா. A knowledge in the form of conviction. It's not a vague knowledge. Firm knowledge. There is no doubt at all. Just as yatha, first line you come. Just as these people are having knowledge, dridajnanam, in what? Yatha, aham dehaha, I am the body. Worldly people, all people have what knowledge? I am body. I have the body, I am this body. Then what? I am purushaha. I am man. I am woman. I am a man, I am a woman. Number 2. This is first dehaha. Then Purushaha, then Brahmanaha, Shudraha. I am Brahmanaha, I am Iyengar, and the Brahman lone Iyengar, I am Iyer, I am Vadama, I am Smartha. Idella irukku. Or I am Vaishyaha, or I am a Kshatriya, I am a Modaliyar, I am Nambiyar, edo Ambiyar. Okay. Idella Brahmana, Shudraha. I am a Shudraha. It is Varna Dharma. Then Aham Asmi iti Dridha Nischayaha. How firmly he knows I am a human being and another doubt. He never doubt and ask my wife, I am a human being or not. And I am a man or a woman. He gets doubt. Edo or not. காலையில் எழுந்துட்டு பரவாயில்ல, ஓகே. He never doubt his nature. How firm it is. Do we get such a doubt? இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு 40 years 50 years நினச்சிக்கோங்களேன் நம்ம ஏஜ். இன்னும் 50 yearsல எனி டைம் ஆஸ் எ உமன் ஹாவ் ஐ காட் எ டவுட், ஆம் ஐ உமன் ஆர் மேன்? A man can get doubt after 50 years. Am I man or woman? No doubt. My knowledge as a man is doubtless. A man, a woman knowledge, I am a woman in knowledge is doubtless. Dridham, dridhamana jnana. இல்லையா? அது எப்படியோ I am a Brahmana. Once in a while you get doubt, I am a Brahmana or Shudra? And the Varna Dharma also you never doubt. Varna Dharma also confirmed. I am a Manushyaha, I am a male or female, that also very clear. You never verify with others at any time. You never verify. You never try to verify also. If you try to verify, what they do know? They will keep you in Kilpak hospital. They will never verify and they are firm. So, tatha. இது எப்படி நிச்சயமாக இருக்கோ மனுஷ ஞானம், ஸ்திரீ ஞானம், புருஷ ஞானம், வர்ண ஞானம் இது எப்படி நிச்சயமாக இருக்கோ ததா. சேம் வே, செகண்ட் லைன், சேம் வே. This is all for Ajnani. First line fully, the Ajnani has got a confirmed knowledge. Similarly, for a Jnani, Tatha Aham Brahmanaha Naham Brahmanaha I am not a Brahmin. Na Shudraha, I am neither Brahmin nor a Shudraha. Nor Kshatriya, nor Vaisya, nor male or female. Na Purushaha, I am not a man. I am not a woman. Kintu, then who am I? I am not a Purushaha, I am not a Stri, I am not a Shudraha, I am not Brahmana. Then who am I? Kintu, but I am Asangaha, Satchidananda Rupaha, Prakasha Rupaha, Sarvantaryami, Chidakasha Rupaha, Asmi iti. What is my nature now? Brahmanaha, Stri, Purusha, annadella primary meaning or secondary meaning? Primary meaning. Brahmanaha, Purushaha, Patni, Pati, all these are primary meaning or secondary meaning? Primary meaning. Appa. Now, what is my secondary meaning? Says, Aham Asangaha. I am not attached to anything. I am untainted by anything. Asangaha means I am not attached to anything. Na sangaha asangaha. Unanointed. Anointed, unanointed means I am not touched by anything. I am not afflicted by anything. I am not associated with anything. Asangaha. Sangamanna ஒட்டின்னு இருக்கிறது. Quick fix மாதிரி, ஃபெவிகால் மாதிரி. I am not attached to anything. Asangaha, number one. Satchidananda Swarupaha. Sat means I am of the nature of existent principle. I am of the nature of Chit principle, consciousness principle. I am of the nature of Ananda Swarupaha. Swarupaha is nature. I am of the nature of existent consciousness, Ananda Swarupam. This is put together, I am Satchidanandaha. Number two. Number three, Prakasha Rupaha. I am the one who is illumining everything, giving existence to everything. Prakasha Rupaha. I am a self-evident consciousness principle. I never, Prakasha Rupaha here, don't think there is a petromoxide on my head. Therefore, like in the mines, people go inside the mines. How they go inside, and there is a light. In the dentist, kuda or light irukkum mele, kudumi madri. Prakasha Rupana, namak edavadhu light irukane paakadingo. Inge Prakasha Rupaha, I am a self-evident to myself. Self-evident, I never doubt my existence. I never ask another person, am I here or not, please tell me. I never doubt my presence. My presence is evident to whom? I am, நான் இருக்கேனா இல்லையான்னு யாருக்கு தெரியும்? எனக்கு தான் தெரியும். நான் இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு யாராவது சொல்லணுமா? அதுதான் பிரகாஷ ரூபகான்னு அர்த்தம். புரியுறதா? நான் இருக்கேனா இல்லையான்னா நான் இருக்கேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். இதுதான் பிரகாஷ ரூபகா. ஸோ நான் இருக்கேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியறது எப்படி என்ன? Through anybody? By somebody's help you are getting? No. It is evident to me. Therefore, I am Prakasha Rupaha. I am self-evident in Artha. Prakasha Rupaha. Number 3. Where am I? Sarvantaryami. Sarvantaryami enna vachyarthama, lakshyarthama? Lakshyartham. Secondary meaning. From vachyartha I am Dehavyapi. From vachyartha primary meaning, if I take, I am Dehavyapi only. Really I am not Dehavyapi. I am Akasha is inside the hall, outside the hall. Inside the hall also, outside the hall also. Adi madri, I am Sarvavyapi. I am pervading in everybody, in every body. I am pervading in everybody, in every body. I am pervading, Anna, who is pervading? As existent consciousness principle, I am pervading. As with Nama Rupa, I cannot pervade. I am not pervade even this much place also. How can I become Sarvavyapi? Sarvavyapi means all pervading in the form of Shuddha Chaitanyam. Chidakasha Rupaha. Chidakasha means this Akasha, how the space is pervading everywhere, inside and outside also. Akasha is there in the pot. Akasha is there outside also, outside the pot. In the hall there is a space. In the pot also there is a space. Outside the hall, space is there. Space is here also, in the hall also, outside also. Therefore, I, the Shuddha Chaitanyam, is in the body also, in the other body also, in all bodies also, in all objects also. In all objects I am available, manifesting in what form? Sadrupena, in the existence form. In human beings and other living beings, I am manifesting as what? Sat and Chitrupam. Here only I manifest as Sadrupena. Shuddha Sat. Sadrupena. In the clip form. And I, the Sat, is available, Chit is available in all living beings. Sadrupena, Chidrupena. That's why I say I am conscious of. I am conscious of. But in I am available Anandamaya also. Sadrupena, Chidrupena, Anandarupena I am available where? Na Anandamaya Koshatil. I am available in 3, manifesting in 3 ways. Sad, Chit, Ananda, available where? Anandamaya Kosha. So in Tukatila Anandamaya Kosha, I am there or not? As what? Sadrupena, Chidrupena, Anandarupena. I am there. Therefore, Chidakashaha. I am like the space which is pervading everywhere. I am pervading everywhere. Aham asmi iti dridhanischaya. In the dridhamana or jnanam and the dridhanischaya rupaha. That knowledge is of the nature of conviction, understanding, doubtless knowledge. Aparoksha jnanam. This is direct knowledge. எப்படி ஒரு புருஷனுக்கு ஸ்திரீக்கு நான் புருஷன் டைரக்டாக வருது இன்டைரக்டாக வருது knowledge. You are sitting in the hall and knowledge is direct knowledge or indirect knowledge? Indirect knowledge என்ன நான் சொல்லணும். உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா? You are in the hall. அப்போ சுவாமினி சொன்ன ஒரு knowledge என்ன knowledge? பரோக்ஷ ஞானம். But Swamini need not say that you are sitting in the hall. You yourself say what? I am sitting in the hall. It is aparoksha jnanam. Parokshamanna indirect knowledge. Aparokshamanna direct knowledge. So aham brahmasmi, I am sat chit ananda swarupam, available in this body mind complex which is maya upadhi. This is it is a direct knowledge. That person is Jivan Muktaha. Now Guru is saying, I am listening. Andananu Mundudadu. That means the student is in process. Would be Jivan Muktaha. Would be Jivan Muktaha. What about Guru? குரு ஆல்சோ வுட் பி ஜீவன் முக்தான்னா அவ்வளோதான். அவருக்கு ஜீவன் முக்தி இல்லைன்னா சிஷ்யனுக்கு எப்படி வரும் ஜீவன் முக்தி? அதனால் குரு மஸ்ட் பி ஏ ஜீவன் முக்தா, மஸ்ட் பி ஏ ஜீவன் முக்தா. Otherwise guru cannot reveal. Such guru gives also, is suppose who is not Jivan Mukta, guru teach, you get scholarship, you can never become Jivan Mukta. If you have purva janma paripaka punya irundha ஒரு வேளை ஜீவன் முக்தன் ஆகலாம், அதுக்கு சான்சஸ் உண்டு. ஆனாலும் எவ்ரி குரு மஸ்ட் பி ஏ ஜீவன் முக்தா ஞானின்னு. அவன் ஜீவன் முக்தனா இல்லைன்னா நமக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை, நம்ம ஜீவன் முக்தனா இல்லையா நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்கணும் இல்லையா? மை குரு இஸ் நாட் ஜீவன் முக்தா, எனக்கு எப்படி ஞானம் வரும்? ஐ நீட் நாட் பாதர். இஃப் ஐ எம் குவாலிஃபைட், மை குரு ரிவீல்ஸ் தட் மகாவாக்கிய, தட் நாலேஜ் கம்ஸ் டு மீ. ஜீவன் முக்தன் ஐ ஆம். தட்ஸ் இட். தட் குரு மஸ்ட் பி எ வெல் லேர்னட் பர்சன். ஸ்ரோத்ரியா இருக்கணும். பிரம்மனிஷ்டனாக இருந்தால் இல்லாட்டினா அவருக்கு தான் நஷ்டம். அவர் பிரம்மனிஷ்டனாக இருந்தால் அவனுக்கு பிரயோஜனம், அவர் பிரம்மனிஷ்டனாக இல்லைன்னா அவருக்கு. இஃப் ஐ கெட் ஏ ஸ்ரோத்ரிய பிரம்மனிஷ்டா குரு, கிரேட் திங்னா. ஸோ அதனால் மன குரு ஜீவன் முக்தா ஆர் நாட் எப்படி தெரியும்? நான் ஜீவன் முக்தன் ஆகணும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு, அப்போ தான் தெரியும் நமக்கு குரு இஸ் ஜீவன் முக்தரா ஆர் நாட். Until that time you can not know that guru is Jivan Mukta or not. So to verify my guru is Jivan Mukta or not is my job, not my job. Okay, whether I am getting that Jivan Mukti or not in this Janma is my job. Study Shastra, get knowledge. Close the book. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.